All right, so this is a trade from Thursday, April 28th. I didn't trade for a few days. There was a couple days there I didn't do anything, basically a whole week. So I last trade was 420, and then I didn't trade since then. So this is the next one. You can see the line right here. This is the resistance point. That was $6.55. It's really where I should have purchased it. That was what the plan was, but I was just a little slow again, so I didn't purchase. It went through that area, and you can see it comes up. Um, I can forward here to about 125. So you can see it starts moving at this point here. Breaks right through 665, goes up to 670. That's where I bought it. Bought it a little too slow. So it pretty much just comes down from that point. I did think for a little while that it might bounce off the 9 EMA, which I'll go forward and show you here, but you can see if I just go back a little bit how quickly that moves through up here on the level 2. So 650, 665 and goes right through. So I was kind of thinking it was going to continue on. We'd have room up to 750 really, or at least $7. I think is where the high of this red candle is. So we could have made some money on that one, but it didn't end up going through 670. So starts to drop down, and I'm like, okay, this is what they do. Just wait for it to bounce off the 9 EMA. So if I go forward a little bit here, you can see it does kind of bounce a little bit right there, but it doesn't go very high after the bounce. So that's not ideal. Forward a little bit further here. I think this is the area. Yeah, it drops down right here. And that's going to be where I sell it off because I went through the 9 EMA. I sold it for like a 30-cent loss or something. But then, stupid me, it bounces off the 20 EMA, the orange line right here, and then it proceeds to move back up. So if I scoop forward a little bit, you can see it actually comes all the way back up towards 670. It doesn't break through 670 again, but I could have probably sold it up there on the ask or even on the bid for a lot better loss than the 30-cent loss that I ended up taking. So this is pretty depressing. It's the second to last day of the month and lost like $100. So I think because this is pre-market, and then once it gets to the actual open, it does go flying up towards 750. I think it even maybe goes past that, but definitely goes past 670. So if I had traded this maybe when the market opened, probably would have had better results, or actually bought it at the proper breakout would have been helpful. Yeah, so this is the trade review here. So I bought it at $6.70, sold it at $6.37 for a $99 loss. After fees and commissions, it's $106.76. The account's then at $634.56, and definitely the biggest loss of the month. Fairly depressing, but didn't break the bank. So moving on to the next day, we'll see how it goes. So hopefully you enjoy this review. Thanks for watching.